how to set bug report to interactive or full report on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on developer options. If you do not have developer options, you need to turn it on first. Then in here, tap on bug report. Now from the pop-up, you could choose between interactive report or full report. So say here for interactive report, use this under most circumstances. It allows you to track progress of the report, enter more details about the problem, and take screenshots. For full report, use this option for minimal system interference when your device is unresponsive or too slow, or when you need all report sections. So select one of the options and then tap on report. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.